Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable private settings on TikTok accounts. So first of all, make sure you have logged in your account and just open the TikTok app and just click here to profile section and go to the three dot here. Just click on this three dot and now click on the settings and privacy option. Here you can see multiple options. Now you can see the privacy option because we are going to change our privacy settings. So just click on here and that's it. We have find the private option, so we just need to click this tab off. So if we click on this off, our privacy setting will be disabled. So here is a notification that switch to public account. So after clicking on this, your account will be to the public and anyone can see your videos and private photos. So if you want to proceed this, just click on switch account. So just that's it. I have disabled my private setting, and this is how you can disable your private settings. So I hope you find this video very helpful. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.